a titan of the highway, a machine built for endurance, power, and dominance, the 32-foot-long Freightliner Argosy Cabover. Semi-truck stands as a true icon in the world of heavy hauling. With its unmistakable presence, advanced engineering, and a design that maximizes efficiency, this truck has carved a legacy that few can rival. If you are passionate about the toughest rigs on the road, join our community and explore the power, innovation, and history of machines that move the world. The Freightliner Argosy, first introduced in the late 1990s, was designed to redefine the cabover engine (COE) concept, particularly for markets where length restrictions demanded a shorter overall footprint without compromising capability. Unlike conventional long-nose semi-trucks, the Argosy offered a forward control layout, allowing for maximum trailer length while maintaining powerful performance and a spacious interior. Over the years, several modifications improved its design and functionality. The Argosy's signature feature, its fully tilting cab, offered easy access to the engine for maintenance, a critical advantage for long-haul drivers. It was powered by a range of robust engines, including Detroit diesel, Cummins, and Caterpillar options, with horsepower ratings exceeding 600 in its most potent configurations. Coupled with advanced transmission options, such as the Eaton-Fuller automated manual gearbox, the truck delivered both power and ease of operation. Inside, the Argosy was designed with driver comfort in mind. Unlike many COE trucks, it offered a surprisingly spacious and well-appointed cabin. Premium materials, ergonomic controls, and sleeper cab options featuring full-sized beds, ample storage, and entertainment systems made it one of the most livable semi-trucks ever built. The focus on reducing driver fatigue through superior ride quality and sound insulation made it a favorite among long-haul truckers. Despite its popularity in international markets like Australia, New Zealand, and South Africa, the Argosy was discontinued in the United States due to declining demand for cabover designs. However, in regions where overall truck length is a major concern, it continues to be a preferred choice. Among fleet operators and independent truckers, pricing for used Freightliner Argosy models varies significantly depending on condition, configuration, and market location. Well-maintained examples range from $40,000 to $90,000, while heavily customized or high-mileage units can be found for lower prices. Built to endure the toughest roads, this cabover legend remains a symbol of strength, efficiency, and innovation. If you love powerful machines that stand the test of time, subscribe now and be part of our passionate community celebrating the most iconic trucks ever built.